Coming up on Commodore News, we'll take a look at National Honor Society blood drives at Maury, and we'll get you caught up with everything happening at Maury. Commodore News is on. Welcome to Commodore News for Friday, April 5th. I'm Keaton Brown. Things are getting busy as we approach spring break with lots of activities going on here at Maury. In Wednesday's sports action, the softball team dropped 1 to Kempsville, 15-5. However, the boys and girls soccer team scored shutout wins over Booker T. On Thursday, Joseph Califano and Dalton Barham combined on a no-hitter as the Commodores cruised over Booker T 10-0. Jacob Jackson had 2 hits and 3 RBI. In softball, the Commodores notched a 19-0 win over Booker T. Alexandria McGoffney pitched a complete game. The girls' tennis team scored an impressive 7-2 win over Great Bridge. Julia Belosis won both sets 6-0 to secure the win. Maya Bird remains undefeated at number 1 in singles. Finally, the boys and girls soccer teams battled Princess Anne with mixed results. The girls lost 2-0, but the boys picked up a win in overtime as Tucker Sanford, Clayton Sanchez, and Stone Lynch scored goals for the victory. Now here's Marche Bird in the control room with what's on the schedule.
Thanks, Keaton. Today the JV baseball team stays home and the varsity baseball and softball team travels for games against the Truckers at 4 p.m. The undefeated girls lacrosse team battles Grassfield at Norfolk Collegiate Field 2. Game time is 6:30. Tonight at 7, the boys lacrosse team takes on Princess Anne. Game time is 7 p.m. at Princess Anne. On Monday, the boys lacrosse team will be back in action against Norfolk Christian at the Princess Anne Athletic Complex. Game time is 5:30. Weather may impact today's schedule, so check the Maury homepage for updates. Back to you, Keaton.
Thanks, Marche. One of the enduring traditions here at Maury are the National Honor Society blood drives. Commodore News correspondents Munene Ragowi and Marche Bird have more.
Over the course of the year, Maury High School hosts many blood drives for administrators, teachers, and students to participate in. The blood drive typically occurs all day with the donators spread out within the block schedule. Students have the option of donating blood or working the drive for community service hours. Now here's a woman that does the screening before a donator is given the clear to donate blood, giving us insight about how the blood drive works.
The Red Cross is a nonprofit organization that is dedicated to helping the community. We do blood drives like the one here at Maury High School to help men and women that are in need of blood. We collect the blood, we send it to the lab. The lab is either in Jonestown or Durham, and the blood is processed and distributed to the hospitals that need it.
And what exactly happens to the blood that you get here?
We send it to it's distributed where it's needed. Doctors need it all money that goes to trauma centers and hospitals. And it goes to cancer patients, goes here locally, we go to CHKD or Centaur or Bon Secours or DePaul or somewhere like that.
What do you enjoy about this job the most?
Meeting different people every day. I go to a different place every day and I see different people every day.
Be sure to look out for upcoming blood drives next year here at Maury. Back to you, Douglas.
Today marks day 2 of the 36th annual Maury Student Art Show. Students and teachers vote on their favorite pieces, and we'll have the results of the show for you on Commodore News when they are announced. Now here's what's happening at MHS. wrap for this broadcast of Commodore News. We'll see you again for Tuesday, and have a great weekend.